Listen to music is our passion. We can refresh our mind by listening to music, but remember, you can also earn by listening to music from any corner of the world. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you are interested and you wanna make money online just like this, and keep watching, and if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more with your friends. So on the other hand, I cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube. So let's get started. Alright, this is the amazing website to listen any types of music from here for ensuring extra cash. So this website is called current.us. Current.us. This one is pretty cool website to refresh your mind by listening any types of music from here. So you can earn more or less, it totally depends on you, but here is a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk and follow the exact steps, or else results will not be possible. So 3 steps to earn $550 for free listening to music. First one, unveiling a brand new app that is paying people to listen to the best and favorite music over here. And second one is revealing how to cash out quickly from here. Literally, you can earn points over here, and I mean, this is the best and easiest way to ensure extra point, and you can use these points in your favorite store to buy any types of products from different types of. So after coming here, we'll get this amazing feature. This one is I want to earn rewards while I am running over here, and this one is play music to earn up to $600 per year, and this one is earn more points the more you play, and search and play from 1 lakh plus radio stations over here, and earn points by playing your favorite music, and spend your points on your favorite brands. Start earning. Just select your country from here and provide your mobile number over here, and you can also use on App Store or Google Play Store. And after coming here, people are always asking us, and this one are the frequently asked questions. You have to know about the total characteristics to start your journey on this platform. How do I earn? If you click on this, and the more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who sign up can play curated radio stations in current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you will encounter several opportunities to generate points. We are constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for important updates over here. How do I spend points? This one is very important to know. Points can be spent in various ways. We are starting with an in-app premium features that grants users the ability to record music for offline uses, and will be adding gift cards, cash out features, and CRNC tokens in the coming months. So if you want to know more, just click on this. And how do I earn more per play? With every tap of the play button, you can earn points. So this is the main thing, you can earn points over here, and the speed at which you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. Our most valuable users play frequently and share preferences generously, and we want to reward them for their contributions. And how do I get music offline? So this is the best frequently asked questions. If you want to know more, just click on this, and after coming here, you have to create an account, just providing your phone number over here, and this is the best and easiest way to get connected to this current.us, and there are also lots of social medias: Twitter, Medium, Instagram, YouTube, GitHub, Facebook, Telegram over here. And you also get more and more info about this website by connecting to their support team. Now I like to share this about this total features of earn cash and money rewards current music over here. And 2,84,689 people have downloaded this app, and the rating of this 4.4 and is operating over here. And most of the people have given their review of about this website over here. And this website, this apps has been updated August 7, 2020. So this is the best and easiest way to start your earning from here. And this one is get paid to play and play music and earn up to $600 per year and local screen rewards. And this one is invite and friends. You can also invite your friends and earn win over here and slash your bills. This is the common features about this app. And cashback rewards over here. So I cordially request to start your journey to ensure extra cash by using this website, I mean current.us. On the other hand, you also refresh your mind by listening to music from this current.us. So this is the best and easiest way, I think, to start your journey over here. Thanks for watching my video till the end. I cordially request to subscribe if you didn't subscribe, and if you subscribe my channel, thank you so much from the core of my heart. Please like, share more and more with your friends to get all types of informative videos from this Make Money Online channel. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.